Alright, so now to straighten up some polygons, so I'm going to make a circle, make sure it's all round. So around of the millimeters, 900, and here again 900 millimeters, so it's round. I don't need any height, so I'll put in another layer and I'll just be seeing the highlight of it. And now I can actually straighten out these lines. So just grab them, hold down Control and stretch, then it comes out straight. I just need to make sure all the lines are following within this circle margin. Okay, so that came out well. Now to stretch some of these. Alright, that looks better. Now for these lines, the reason why I'm having this problem here, I think it's because I've got too many lines close to each other, so I need to separate them. So first things first, let's turn the flow of the polygon. So you go down Shift and K. Alright, so now to separate these lines, just select and just move them back. So for these ones, I'll just modify them again. Same thing here, just move it back. Much better, that line is gone. Same here, I need to fix these. Alright, so the next thing I need is for this thing to actually protrude, like the eyes are a bit big where they meet the goggles. So I'll just move these in front like that and stretch them in the sides so that we have that. Okay, now to fix some of these, okay, that's much better. Let's continue going down. I'll just start extending, pushing E on the keyboard and dragging them down, following the reference image. Here I want to link these, so I'll select these points and push P on the keyboard, tab to to make them subpatched. Same thing for the others here. And now to make these round, so Control T for the drag tool and just make it round. Alright, so now I start extruding, going down. So I'm stretching as I'm pulling them down. Alright. So select 4, push P on the keyboard. Same thing here. These are 5. So what I'll do is I'll select these 4 and then I'll create a 3-faced polygon here. So just select all of them and push tab on the keyboard. So some of these are flipped, so you push F on the keyboard to flip them. So on the hands here, I'll select these and I'll delete and just make them round. Let's follow the reference here. And then you start extruding, going out. So on the joint, I usually leave 3 lines so that the deformation is okay. So I want to bring up the image since it has the top view. I'll just remove it, matching it. Now the problem I have here is since it's symmetry, I'm dealing with the opposite side. So all my controls right now are different. My left is my right now. So I'm closing up this hole here. So now let's continue extruding. So this is where the fingers will actually come from. So let's start removing the fingers one by one. This is very difficult because right now all the controls are actually opposite. An alternative for anybody who's actually doing this would be turning off symmetry, so the hand will only be made on one side, and once you're done, you cut the character into half and then mirror it on the other side so that you can work properly. See, now I can go back to this side where the controls are actually straight. So the fingers just look bad. Let's just fine-tune some of this stuff. All right, much better. All right, see you in my next video.